Okay. Where's your Dum 106.3 FM? Yenti and them to me boss and amade and some no and yenima some ne mountain because Monday and Kenya Kebe. And yes, I'm a tiano Kuya Dama no yabe. Aquasuchum bad day sika kakra may justify tea. May fire baby besano. May so me you be back. Yet now cause almost 2 a.m. Any abefa a stray yamas as ye there was nowhere to go. Sasem when to Dr. Penny, Dr. Aya Hefron, or Barting a 1 woman ne ba Eddie Bosome ne quarter. Just one new Bosome ne fakra. Dr. No, Eddie Jacorano. Doctor, and you are uncle June 3rd disaster. Last year, 2017, a bit too young. Ghana for bears or her Edionumia. In fact, data no cry and sack and Shadanya entirely accurate because Osha last year, as same way see Yanwa was a simple idea and Canipa Muyano, almost 200. From Paloma, NDC headquarters, that you are a basic Kwame Nkrumah circle like Ja, as she nipa can. A quad because East Legon, and Sukasia, any gata can say that sickups at you. A basic N1 at Chimota. Put to me, human beings, a Kobe catcher, our circle, or see, in fact, human beings resembles nothing. Nothing. Human being, and yes, resembles so. Human being is nothing. Branty and bro for no. You can laugh all you want, but this is what be our uncle Shedanko school. But this is the in the moment, in emotion. Nipani ya warning a real warning nano. This is how the person could capture it. Human being resembles nothing. I didn't think I hear Tim Kwamu Wahanum say. Na doctor, obi doctor wakwaya housemanship. In 7 years, I was woo. Eden and conform ma umukope bia bedi or circle ha. Papa be cried or parking a car or pepper and water. Edia betu the car muno rufia when you be the amanema. And mom told Dokono was second patamo. 2017 June 3rd disaster, they died. Yatigana hanum na penifua wagana hanum politicians. NDC and people money hancho. On money hancho playing unnecessary politics. And this is what annoys me sometimes. They say, "Men fire and you gone. Men fire and you gone." The same thing happened. Malcolm disaster. But sometimes I hear media for Nankase Kahun. But I cry for yenina media for yenina commercial radio station. To there be a commercial interest to override the BBA. Can you say, they na Malcolm disaster see a yanka and na permit you and na why who is supposed to give permit and na dating I building waterways. ABC 2017 June 3rd. The same old bloody story. The same old nonsensical story. And now waterways and now why who I was saying and I said and now we must politicians from John Mahama to Atamils to President Kufuor to Rawlings to Nana Awaba Fufure, everybody say plans are far advanced. Plans are in the pipeline. We have enough plans. We have done this, we have done that, we have done that. Unnecessary brofo. Brofo if you go see baby. Why don't you action the brofo? Why don't you action the brofo? Yetianmo, me see this year, your story wa do me fema. See yon ko busa attaching long before even Parliament called him. Say attaching, hey, what is your plan? Ubusa minister, and I am busy. I've traveled. Say you see attaching, we took out of the country. Attaching, I ran away and come to the country. I don't give a damn what you're doing. Now, who am I? But whatever it is, by now you should be in this country. Share Minister for Sanitation. And you know helicopter anymore. What the helicopter? Answer. Helicopter. Oh, I see. A fine case. A fine. What the helicopter? Disaster areas. Is that what we are paying you for? To inspect. Solution away. 1 year on after circle disaster. I brought you for year tried to see and any babies near there. We couldn't learn. I have a research here from some students. UAE University. Ghana for students almost your dear. Sponsored by the German government. You know, almost hear some of these development courses near there. And this is their topic. The problem of annual occurrences of floods in Ghana, in Accra. An integration of hydrological, economic, and political perspective. Students in here, Charles Oche, Ira Yokoba, and Dominique Gilgenberg. I'm sorry, German. Almost doctoral thesis and Omatrono. A study of Accra floods. We cry the Nko Ghana and Nyanko do north. Ni Akokamba Gridam no cry ye bieka hono and the effect on the northern sector. And there akoso money there way Accra kwao. And in normal introduction, you be amazed the students or Mutia broches what they said. So obedient to me mekanche Ghana said there are no solutions. But yet Ghana hand me I didn't add more politics. Ye nimse NADMOFO are the ones who can offer rescue operations. NADMOFO ni 10. Yeah, NADMOFO ni 10. Political party be ayantiana Kofi Potofi. Yadne kwa NADMO. Meanwhile, what was his competence in disaster management? You and I are here. You and I were not there. You and I are here. Ya wagana ha. Inti NADMOFO ni 10. Ya mo mubobo. Ni amo bedsheet. Ni amo blanket. Obi the flooding atu obi a bobo. What are they? Proper disaster solution. Now, okay, no be so. Don't worry, abroche cry and so you. Abroche before and so beto ebe yidi no na nsu atono. Na nye ye de afiawa we. Nsu to 1 hour wa crap pe nipa be. Aden, what kind of shit hole is this? Na mo ti ana se Trump ka chem se mo ye shit hole a. Mo se mo nti da. Ye shit hole. On this occasion, may I withdraw my comment. I remember Pastor Trump can say yes shit hole. May I condemn you say yes shit hole. But this one I accept. Yes. In view of what has happened in Malcolm disaster, that we have failed to learn. Circle disaster, Junta, that we failed to learn. A May disaster that we failed to learn from. Yeah, shit hole. I accept it. On behalf of Ghana, on behalf of the people of Ghana, we are shit holes. And Kenya say, any more Maya every year be you. Ye need doctors, near doctor to me ko ye need market women. Abaya na sometimes ikebi amobi uko Europe nimne there. We are cry now niska mentria oka. Ye hey, aben bien wa aba omobi atsen. And so near man crofo. Why? Is that justifiable? And we are not saying it because a friend saying saying Ghana and I say be a bibinti. We are saying it because we all deserve to live. Osha Ghana Constitution is very clear. Everybody has a right to life. And you may not know can want them now. Makoko train NADMO for penny for naba. But I don't blame NADMO too much, sir. Say I see institutions in here Juma. They are NADMO di koye Juma. And I make us say I'm NADMO bobo. Ni amo a blanket. NADMO di obe. In fact, I draw diet na hanum. Ye to me coffee any data and na my friend NADMO. We Gimpa force wo mu and NADMO type for force or mad brand new. NADMO so omo koye den. Meanwhile, by that time, I'm sure the Ministry of Works and Housing, they were asleep. Upon 5 o'clock, not more people were working. Family corner not more people were working. Minister not more for her. On matches a minister be by office and I do so no more be hold vigil. I Jumanoa, we don't know. So we command not more 40. And now police and now fire service. June 3rd disaster mekai. Mimini bile anaglate ye ka till 3:45 a.m. Na yade ne. Yade am punching. Yade antena han ye wuni studio ha leaky. We are suffering. But burning issues na wutie no. I had Dom 106.3 FM. American Premium Furniture. Na make a crime no cry from because I never na me dey nam no. We people don't have to die, seriously. And then I was here tan ye wu. Because ensu ato. Ensu tan kedi hira beba no. And if you look at the report as students, I'll give you a couple of them. But